This video will show you how to install the MyFox Home Alarm. First, unpack your products without removing the battery tabs. The MyFox Home Alarm includes a 110 decibel wireless siren, a key fob that arms and disarms the alarm, an IntelliTag door and window sensor, the link, a wireless internet connection hub. Before starting, download the MyFox Security app on your smartphone. Connect your smartphone to the wireless network you will use for your alarm system. During the installation, you will be guided by the app and there are no tools needed. First, open the MyFox Security app and select Install Home Alarm. Next, create your account. Then name your system, for example, Home, and enter the related information. You can now start installing the products. Assemble the link with the correct local adapter. Use the orange dots for guidance. Plug it in and wait until the Fox blinks. Select your wireless network and continue following the app instructions. Your link should be placed within range of your wireless network and preferably close to the main entrance of your home with the head of the Fox pointing upwards. The next step is the siren installation. When prompted, open the base by twisting it counterclockwise. Then remove the battery tab. When the siren is paired, you will hear. Replace the base using the two orange dots for guidance and turn clockwise to lock. The siren can be set on a table or mounted to a wall. To promote deterrence, place the siren near your main entrance and in the open, and preferably high enough so that it is difficult to access. Next, follow the app instructions to install the IntelliTag. Take the IntelliTag and place it on the window or door you wish to make secure. Remove the protective film tape and position the IntelliTag following the app suggestions for positioning. When prompted by the app, take off the cover and remove the tab. When the IntelliTag is paired, you will hear. Replace the IntelliTag cover. Follow the calibration instructions as explained by the app. Give your IntelliTag a name so that you can identify it later. Your IntelliTag is now operational. The next step is to install the key fob. Open the battery case by twisting the back with 2 fingers counterclockwise and remove the tab. Then close the case. Then push the disarm button, the open padlock, to finalize the pairing. When the key fob is paired, you will hear. Your MyFox Home Alarm is now fully installed and operational. You can control your alarm and monitor your house using your smartphone.